Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmanda Putri, and in this video we are going to learn about trigonometry. Trigonometry is one of the important branches in the history of mathematics that deals with the study of the relationships between the side and angle of a right-angled triangle. This concept is given by the Greek mathematician Hipparchus. In this video, we are going to learn the basics of trigonometry. Trigonometry. Trigonometry is the one of the most important branches in mathematics that finds huge application in the first fields. The branch called trigonometry basically deals with the study of the relationships between the sides and angles or sides of a right triangle using the trigonometric formulas, function, or trigonometric identities. In trigonometry, the angles can be either measured in degree or radians. Some of the most commonly used trigonometric angles for calculations are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. Trigonometry is further classified into two sub-branches. The two different types of trigonometry are plane trigonometry and spherical trigonometry. Next, trigonometry ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent. The trigonometric ratios of a triangle are also called the trigonometric functions. Sine, cosine, and tangent are three important trigonometric functions and are abbreviated as sin, cos, and tan. Let us see how are these ratios or functions evaluated in case of a right-angled triangle. Consider a right-angled triangle where the long side is called the hypotenuse and the side opposite the hypotenuse are referred to as adjacent and opposite sides. 6 important trigonometric functions. The 6 important trigonometric functions are calculated using the below formulas and considering the above figure. It is necessary to get knowledge about the sides of the right triangles because it defines the set of important trigonometric functions. Sine functions, sine opposite side divide hypotenuse. Tangent function, tan opposite side divide adjacent side. Cosine function, cos adjacent side divide hypotenuse. Cosecant function is cosec hypotenuse divide opposite side. And then second function is sec hypotenuse divide adjacent side. Cotangent function or cot adjacent side divide opposite side. Even and odd trigonometric functions. The trigonometric functions can be described as being even or odd. A trigonometric function. A trigonometric function is said to be an odd function if f in bracket minus x is equals minus f in bracket x and symmetric with respect to the origins. And then even trigonometric functions, a trigonometric function is said to be an even function if f in bracket minus x equals f in bracket x and symmetric to the y-axis. We know that sin minus x equals minus sin x. Cos minus x equals cos x. Tan minus x equals minus tan x. Cosecant minus x equals cosec minus cosec x. Secant minus x equals secant x. Cotangan minus x equals minus cotangan x. Sine and secant are the even trigonometric functions where sine, tangent, cosecant, and cotangent are the odd trigonometric functions. If we know the even and odd trigonometric functions, it helps us to simplify the trigonometric expression when the variable inside the trigonometric function is negative. Next, we have trigonometry table. Check the table for common angles which are used to solve many trigonometric problems involving trigonometric expressions. The next is trigonometry basics. The three functions in trigonometry are sine, cosine, and tangent. Based on these three functions, the other three functions that are cotangent, secant, and cosecant are derived. All the trigonometrical concepts are based on this function. Hence, to understand trigonometry further, we need to learn these functions and their respective formulas at first. If theta is the angles in a right angle triangle, then sin theta is equal to perpendicular divide hypotenuse. Cos theta equals base divide hypotenuse. Tan theta equals perpendicular divide base. Perpendicular is the side opposite to the angle theta. The base is the adjacent side to the angle theta. The hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. The other three functions, cotangent, sec, and cosecant, depend on tan, cos, and sin respectively, such as cotangent theta equals 1 divides tan theta, sec theta equals 1 divided cos theta, cosec theta equals 1 divide sin theta. Hence, cot theta equals base divide perpendicular. Sec theta equals hypotenuse divide base. Cosec theta is equals hypotenuse divide perpendicular. Last, trigonometric problems and solution. For examples, we have two friends, Ruckus and Vishal, start climbing a pyramid-shaped hill, and then Ruckus climbed 315 meters and finds that the angle of depression is 72.3 degrees from his starting point. How high is he from the ground? Solution: let m is the height above the ground. To find value of m, next, to solve m, use the sine ratio. Sin 72.3 degree equals m divided 315. 0.953 is equal to m divided 315. M equals 315 times 0.953, and then m is equal to 300.195 m, and then the man is 300.195 above the ground. Okay, that's the examples. And then What other examples can you think of for using the trigonometry in your life? Let's tell me in comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.